Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the OneOdio Studio Pro 10 DJ headphones. There is an image of what these headphones are going to look like. There you can see it has this foldable form factor to it, this foldable design. Over here it's written Studio Pro 10, that's the name of this particular headset. Let's quickly see what other information we have. It's written high-res audio verification, comfortable and foldable, single-side monitoring, adapter-free, SharePort technology, 50mm neodymium drivers. There's a nice illustration of the headphone on this side, and that's more or less all the information on this box. Let's just open it and show you what's on the inside. Oh wait, there are some more information. Yes, over here it's written frequency range is 20 to 40 kilohertz. Plug type is 3.5mm and 6.3mm, so there are two types of plugs here. What else? Maximum input power 1600 milliwatt and rating power is 30 milliwatt. So that's more or less it. Let's open this and show what's inside. So this is the user manual for the OneOdio Studio Pro 10. This has a lot of information in it in different languages, so you should read it at least once. Okay, and next up we have this pack that has a lot of cables in it. Let's see what these cables are. We have, alright, so this is the 3.5 to 6.35mm adapter. There you can see 3.5 to 6.35mm adapter. So this is aimed at creators and DJs as well. So this is for when you want to connect this particular headphone to a music console or a turntable even. And this is the 3.5mm line for this particular headphone. It also comes with an inline remote. There you can see it comes with an inline remote, a very basic inline remote as well. There is a nice, this is a black carry pouch that comes with it. This is a very classy looking black carry pouch. It's a very nice addition. I'm going to put this on one side as well. And this is the OneOdio Studio Pro 10 headphones. These are very large ear cups. It swivels on two directions basically. So this is the horizontal swivel and this is the vertical swivel right over here. The vertical swivel is 180 degrees, so the horizontal one is only 90 degrees, which is okay, is great actually. But the good part is that this is also foldable, so you can fold it like so and then put it in this pouch and carry it around. When it folded, it becomes really compact. Once again, the ear cups have this very soft cushion in it, and these are extendable headbands. It has a metallic chassis inside. The headband also comes with a foam padding, as you can see. What else do we have? So yeah, over here there is a 6.35mm port, and on this side there is a 3.5mm port. And this is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the OneOdio Studio Pro 10 DJ headphones. Thank you for watching.